So I'll do a real quick unboxing video for the Scosche Magic Mount. This is if you buy the mount through Cobb. This is kind of the unboxing for that. Basically all the Magic Mount is a magnetic cell phone mount. It works well with the access port. So we'll just open it up here. As you can see, there's the information, and we'll open it up. So there's the mount itself, and you get a free Cobb sticker and then the Cobb thank you note. So we'll go ahead and open this box, get the mount out, see what we get. All right, so we got the box open. You can see everything that comes. You got the mount itself, you got the mag plate. It's like a little surround. I think this is just another magnetic piece. I'm not 100% sure on that. Clean wipe, and then a clear backing that goes on the back of your cell phone and or access port, what you choose to use this for. We'll go ahead and get this installed and see what it looks like in the car. So as far as installation goes, it's pretty simple. Just a normal suction cup. You can get the suction cup wet for better grip. Basically you just find you a spot you want, push that little lever down on the back, and it is on there as tight as it can be. And then it's got this swivel socket so you can adjust the head and such, and then tighten it down every what you need. But the access port itself, you don't have to install the plate on the back because it's magnetic and it takes some good force to pull it off there. So it'll hold pretty well. As far as overall review of the product goes, say it's a great product if you're looking for a suction cup mount. I myself wanted one, that way I could just kind of move it around. Overall the product seems to be very well made, and it'll serve you well if you install an access port. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.